Most strokes get blamed on the usual suspects, a clot from the heart or fatty buildup in the arteries. But there is a far less familiar cause that has been climbing fast, and a new nationwide study put a number on just how fast. Hospital stays tied to this type of stroke rose 400% between 2005 and 2019. The condition is called cervical artery dissection. It happens when the inner lining of an artery in your neck splits and blood forces its way between the layers. That tear can slow blood flow or create a clot, and the result can be a stroke. What makes this so concerning is who it affects. Up to 1 in 4 strokes in adults younger than 50 trace back to one of these undetected tears. The injury often follows a car crash, a sports collision, or a heavy lift, but even an awkward reach into the back seat can set it off. A team led by vascular neurologist Shadi Yaghi at Brown University reviewed more than 125,000 patient records to understand the trend. They found that cases climbed from 11 to 46 per million people over 15 years. Hispanic and Black Americans saw the steepest increases, pointing to disparities in both injury exposure and access to early vascular care. Part of the rise reflects better technology because newer ultrasound and MRI scanners now catch tiny tears that older machines missed entirely. The warning signs are worth knowing. A sudden one-sided headache or neck pain, sometimes with a droopy eyelid, is the classic red flag. Some patients hear a pulsing whoosh in one ear as blood rushes past the tear. Why does this matter? Because catching a dissection early can prevent a stroke that leads to lasting disability. Simple habits help, like wearing a seat belt, raising your headrest to eye level, and avoiding sudden neck twists when lifting. And if you have a stubborn headache or new neck pain after even minor trauma, it is worth getting checked. The study was published in the journal Neurology. For more on this story, find a link to the full article on Earth.com in the description.